Welcome to Increase English 2.0. We invite you to speak with us.
Wake up! It's 7 a.m. A fresh start to the day.
Is it that late already? I need to focus today.
Where is my planner? I have 3 big goals to finish.
I can't find my favorite coffee mug. Has anyone seen it?
It's in the dishwasher. Grab it, let's get moving.
This coffee smells incredible. What are we eating?
Oatmeal with fresh berries. It gives us energy.
Yum! Today we are mastering the daily routine vocabulary.
Exactly. Eat up, then we head to the home office. Okay, let's review our English sentences.
I love studying with you. First sentence, I prioritize my tasks. Repeat that, everyone.
Great. Next, I stay consistent every single day.
Perfect. Consistency is the key to speaking fluently.
I feel so productive already.
Look at the sunlight. It's a beautiful day to learn.
I feel so productive already. I enjoy the process of learning.
That is so true. Everyone, keep practicing.
We did a great job today. See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye. Keep improving. Welcome to Increase English 2.0. For watching more videos, please like and subscribe my channel.
See you in the next video.